Okay, three pieces of evidence that both Christianity and energetics are about transformation. Hi, I'm Liesl Hill, a Christian and energetics expert. If you want more tips on how to live a life of both Christianity and energy work, make sure and hit that follow button. Evidence number one, the question, what is the meaning of life? This is a fair question, if it is also the butt of a lot of jokes, but here's the thing. Energetics teaches us that life is about raising one's energy, right? Elevating oneself emotionally, energetically, and leaning toward the spiritual, right? Christianity teaches that our life is the time to prepare to meet God. And if we're leaning toward the spiritual, then that is also leaning toward God. So both disciplines, in some way, suggest that we are here in this life to transform ourselves such that we become closer to God. Evidence number two, the map of consciousness. Maps of consciousness show various emotions and states of consciousness that we as human beings might exist in and assign them numerical values based on their vibrations. So the idea is that when we dwell in lower emotions, we have a lower vibration. When we let those go and exchange them for higher emotions, we have a higher vibration. And as you can see, the very top of the map of consciousness is God consciousness. In Christianity, we are constantly being told to try and draw closer to God. And one of the ways that we do that is by letting go of negative emotions like anger, resentment, bitterness, vengeance, that sort of thing, and exchanging them for higher emotions, things like peace, tranquility, understanding, charity, which is the pure love of Christ. And as we do those things, as we feel those energies rather than the negative ones, we grow closer to God. Which leads me to my third evidence, which is Jacob's ladder. I'm not going to go into all of it, but Jacob's ladder shows human beings going up and down the ladder. At the top is God, at the bottom is earth, and they move up and down the ladder based on their choices and their states of consciousness, right? So all of these are evidences that both energetics and Christianity, specifically transformation that will bring us closer to God. In other words, these are evidences that Christianity and energy work are the exact same thing.